What a nice day. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy some fresh air and check my emails. It's beautiful. What the heck? My package came in from Australia. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, let me go get it. I should film this for our channel. Let's see. Oh, darn it. Where did I leave my camera? Well, I guess it don't matter. Let me walk to the mailbox and go see what that package is. I hope it's the one I was expecting.
Hello, Polytubers. It's me, Siaosi. Oh, I read what you wrote about me in the comments, and I'm glad you all love me so much, but I've got a problem, a real problem. My pops don't pay attention to me. He leaves me in this bedroom on the bed next to this strange animal. Look over there. See, I don't know what the heck that is, but I just want my pops to come pay attention to me. I don't think he loves me anymore. Oh. I know. Maybe I should sing him a song. He likes to sing all the time. Yes, he does. And I can hear him way down on the other side of the house, laughing and having a good time. I'm gonna try to sing one of his favorite songs. It's called At This Moment. Wish me luck. Okay, I think I'm ready. What did you think I would do at this moment? When you're standing before me with tears and I don't think he can hear me. Maybe I need to sing deeper and louder. Oh, please, Lord, give me the strength. When you're standing before me
with tears in your eyes, trying to tell me that you have found you another, and you just don't love me no more. Oh, I hope that helped. Please pray for me. Oh yeah, it's a package I was expecting from Australia. I'm so excited. What was that noise coming from the house? Oh, sounded like a elephant giving birth or something. That was horrible noise. Let me go find my camera, and then I'm gonna do an unboxing and show everyone. Hello, Falava everyone. I just got a package in the mail. I set up my camera so I could show you an unboxing. So let's get it open and let's get started. So I bet you'll never guess what I got from Australia. This only took 5 days to get here. Well, I guess you will guess because I'm probably gonna show it in the thumbnail, huh? So this, I would never have known about this if it wasn't for Kazakhstan. I was watching his YouTube channel when he did the Polynesian festival there in Australia, and I had to order one of these right away. I got like an early bird special. Ooh, look at that nice packaging. This only took 5 days to get here. Oh, I can't wait to show you. Oh, let me do some chopping and I'll come right back. Now, the other reason why I ordered this is because in that video, an eloquent young man spoke so highly and enthusiastically about their company. So let's check it out. Here it comes. Whoa, look at that. That is a nice box. Oh my gosh, this company is awesome. You can find their link in the description below, so check them out. It's MATAIwatches.com. How do I open it? Oh my gosh, it's a magnet box. What a high quality box they even put in. Let's open it up. The big reveal. Oh, look at that. You see a traditional Polynesian. Got the tatau there. We're in the Lava Lava. The watches and the difference. That is just beautiful. All right, let me take this out and flip it over here. So it says, to the chief, that's me, my family at least, thank you for your support and giving us this opportunity to tell our stories. As a chief of this tribe, we would like to welcome you to the MATAI family. Yours faithfully, MATAI. There's their Facebook, MATAI Watches, their Instagram, I guess, their Twitter account, and their global network. Please check them out. These are going to be awesome, I know. Let's take a look. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Check that out. This is like a collector's box. Oh my gosh. I see a couple specs on here, but it's not, what they do is they have a plastic film over there. I'm going to leave that on there. So sorry if that ruins the quality of the picture you're seeing. But oh my gosh, this is so nice. I have to at least take it out of the box for a moment. Let's do that. Okay, first I'm gonna look at this international warranty card. Has their warranty card in there for the customer. They also have a user's manual. Let's open that up. Oh, it has information in here. Beautiful. I almost don't want to like even wrinkle any of this. It looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's do it. Let's take the watch out. I feel like I should be wearing white gloves for this. Holy smokes. This is freaking heavy. It feels like solid gold. I'm sure it's not. I would have paid a few more tens of thousands of dollars for it, but oh my gosh, that is lovely. Look at that. Oh, I hope you can see it okay. Can you see when the word MATAI, instead of a T, it's a cross? That is gorgeous. It has the date on it. Oh, and it's the correct date too. Oh my gosh. Today is the 12th of July. Oh, look at the intricate details on it. That is so beautiful. The little etching around the side. Oh my gosh, look at the back. Let's see if I can take it out in the sun and you can read it. I don't know if this helps or not, being in the sun. Oh, you can actually see me in the back. Look, there I am. Let's see. How can I get it a good shot here? Let's see for you guys. Oh my gosh. Let me put it back down here by the black case and maybe we can see it better. So, you may not be able to read it, but it says, telling our stories through our timepieces, MATAI. And that is like laser engraved in there. I'm telling you though, this watch is probably the heaviest watch I've ever lifted, besides a Rolex. Rolexes are pretty heavy too if you get the presidential, but man, this is heavy. That is so nice. Let's take out the one of the bands here. Nice solid sturdy band. Oh, look at the little island etching on there. I'm sure it's not a very good picture of it, but I'm going to put a link to a short YouTube commercial they did, and it even says MATAI right there. I don't know if you can see that. Very beautiful. And right here, wow, this must be, and it unscrews, and this is very solid. This is the screw to attach the watch. So let me put the watch together and I'll show you what it looks like. First off, I want to show you when you're putting it together, look at the band. It kind of fits in there like a mold like that. Wow, that is so nice. You just make sure the hole's lined up and you drop the gold pin through there and it slides right in there to the other side. And then I'm going to put on the other side to connect it. So this is what it looks like all put together. Look at that. This is a gift that you definitely would want to buy for someone if they were your family's MATAI. It is so nice, and oh my gosh, it feels so sturdy. There's a little piece of plastic here I can pull out. Oh, I did it. And that way I can screw it in. And now the watch is on. Pretty awesome, huh? Let's see what it looks like on my arm. Before I do that, I also want to show you this. So after you set the time, there's a little clasp that locks it in place. That is awesome. Wow, it looks so nice. Oh my gosh, it looks so huge on my hand. And the band, I'm on the smallest setting to fit my wrist. This could fit a super huge wrist. So hey, I love this watch. I hope y'all check out their link below. I'm also going to put a copy to their YouTube channel. Thank you. If you put in my name in the discount box, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You won't get any discount. They don't know who I am. I'm just some crazy guy doing a review on their watch. But I know I ordered it like 5 days ago. So today is the 12th. So I did get a discount, like $100 off. So I don't know if they're still going to be doing this when you see the video. Hopefully they are, but this is a perfect gift for MATAI and your family, or just a dad or whoever. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. All right, love you guys. We'll see you next time. Tofa soifua. Peace.